Hi everyone, I am Arun Kumar Tripathi, Chairman Child Protection Organization India. I want to say this day about child protection organization and child protection. Children have human rights as well as the right which are primary for their all-round development. The right which is necessary for children because they are human being and children come under the category of child right and children have the right to protection in case of any kind of danger or risk. Child right were declared in India in year 1959, but they were accepted on 20th November 2007. Children have many rights like right to education, right to live, right to participation, right to protection, right to development, etc. But in today's time, a large number of them are being exploited and harassed. Due to the bad behavior of the society, helpless children are moving towards drug addiction and criminalization, which will have a direct impact on the future of the country. The basic rights of small children are taken away and they are put to work like someone is working at a tea shop, someone at a grocery shop, someone is working as a laborer, someone is working as a servant in the other people's houses, someone is cleaning utensils in other people's houses, etc. All this takes away their childhood. The main function of child protection organization is to create social awareness towards eliminating violence, abuse and exploitation against children, to promote and nature of the law to provide education to children, and the child protection organization is also committed to provide sensitive, timely and efficient protection and services to the victim. The organization believes in nationalism and national integration, democracy, socioeconomics issues, which can lead to the establishment and exploitation free and equal society, and positive secularism, that is social work with equal respect for all religions. The basic philosophy of the child protection organization is कर्तव्यम धर्मम चा बाल रक्षणम, अर्थात हमारा कर्तव्य व धर्म है बाल सुरक्षा करना. देश सेवायाद महत्तरम कर्तव्यम नास्ति न्यायात मात्रा धर्मम नास्ति, अर्थात देश सेवा से बड़ा कोई कर्म नहीं, न्याय से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं. अद्यतनम बाल भविष्यम देश सेवा एवं, अर्थात बच्चों का आज का भविष्य ही देश का कल है. Function of child protection organization. I do not believe in kind of discrimination on the basis of caste, sex and religion. I promise to follow the constitution, rule and discipline of the organization. Function of the child protection organization: to protect, investigate and review child rights and recommended measures for their effective implementation, to provide suggestion on the work of the child development and protection by the child protection organization to the central government, state government or commission or the concerned authority at annual intervals, to investigate the violation of child right and inform the concerned department, commission, ministry for action in such cases, and take to suo motu, cognize and present it to the police or court or legal action under child protection standard and section of the act, to investigate the factors affecting children due to the terrorism, communal violence, rights, natures, disasters, domestic. Our work is to strengthen the foundation of India energy future thinking because it has become completely unbalanced, due to which The future of the country and society seems to the dark in the coming times. In today's time, there are many working systems in this field, but what has improved the situation? This is still a question. This is a serious issue because there should be a system that can work in this role and work for the condition of children and work as representative for the government. Just as a representative provides information about right and wrong and review the implementation of the work. Similarly, this organization, child protection organization, work as representative for children. Our efforts is to devote our social. Thanks.